अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मेरा नाम रचाना है। मैं एक स्कूल जाने वाला बच्चा हूँ। हर सुबह मैं देखता हूँ कि हमारी कम्युनिटी के बहुत से वालिदैन को टीचर्स और स्कूल के स्टाफ से बात करने में मुश्किल होती है क्योंकि वो पुर्तगीज जुबान नहीं समझते और ना बोल पाते हैं। मैं चाहता हूँ कि मैं मदद करूँ, इसलिए मैं शुरू कर रहा हूँ आसान पुर्तगीज जुबान के सबक। हर रोज मैं आपको 2 छोटे छोटे सबक सिखाऊंगा जो आपको रोजाना बातचीत में मदद देंगे। अगर आप हर दिन सिर्फ 20 मिनट दें तो मुझे उम्मीद है 3 महीने में आप आसानी से पुर्तगीज बोल पाएंगे। आइए हम सब मिलकर सीखते हैं। Assalamu alaikum. My name is Tajana. I am a school-going boy. Every morning I see that many parents have trouble talking to teachers and school staff. Why? Because they don't understand or speak Portuguese. I want to help you. So I am starting easy Portuguese lessons for our community. Every day I will teach 2 small lessons to help you talk in daily life. If you give just 20 minutes every day, I hope inshallah in 3 months you will speak Portuguese easily. Let's start learning together. Hi everyone and welcome to our Portuguese lesson number 1. Greetings and basics. In this video, we'll learn how to say some everyday words in Portuguese with meanings in English and Urdu. We'll repeat each Portuguese word 3 times to help you remember better. Let's start. First, we have Olá in Portuguese. It means hello in English. And in Urdu we say Assalamu alaikum. Now repeat after me, just in Portuguese. Olá, olá, olá. Next is Chau or Adeus in Portuguese. It means bye in English and in Urdu we say Huda Hafiz. Now repeat after me. Chau or Adeus. Chau or adeus. Chau or adeus. To say yes, we use the Portuguese word sim. In Urdu, that's ha. Let's say it together. Sim, sim, sim. For no, the Portuguese word is não. And in Urdu, it's nahi. Now repeat with me. Não, não, não. To say thank you, a male would say obrigado and a female would say obrigada in Portuguese. Let's repeat both Portuguese words. Obrigado, obrigado, obrigado. In female, obrigada, obrigada, obrigada. Well done! You just learned how to greet, say yes and no, and thank someone in Portuguese, with the meanings in English and Urdu too. Keep practicing and repeat these Portuguese words often. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next lesson. Ciao!